Department and the Enforcement Directorate keeping a close vigil on banks across the country. We learned from sources that the Tax Department has in fact deployed decoy customers at several bank branches to keep a tab on suspicious activities. Remember last week, income found worth about 100 crore rupees was deposited in 44 accounts at the Axis Bank Chandni Chowk branch in New Delhi. In fact, staying with that, one of the fallouts of the demonetization move has been the circulation of rumor and hearsay in the garb of news on various social media and even mainstream platforms. One of the more recent such reports revolved around Axis Bank's possible license cancellation. Lata is here now to separate fact from fiction. Lata, what is the response from the Reserve Bank on possible regulatory action against Axis Bank?
Well, revocation of a license is not any report. It is an extremely damning report, and we must note that the Reserve Bank has been quick to come and deny the story. Axis Bank, of course, will deny the story, but it's important that the Reserve Bank is denying it. In the first place, such a story has no chance of being true. You don't even revoke the license of a very small scheduled commercial bank. You know, remember the Global Trust Bank case, and then United Western Bank, Sangli Bank, Bank of Rajasthan. Weak banks it is ensured by the central bank that somebody else takes over that bank. You don't just revoke a license, then what happens to the loans owed by that bank to other banks? There will be a series of defaults in the entire financial system. No central bank and no country will permit it. Revocation of a license is in itself a wrong story. It cannot be true, and therefore it is important that the Reserve Bank came out and denied that story. Gullible investors and depositors should note, but actually, to be fair, the Axis Bank share fell only as much as all other banks. I mean, even IndusInd Bank fell the same. So actually nobody even took it seriously in the market.